All right, I got another PlayStation 5 here, and I power it on here, and boom, it dies right away. I was also taking a look at it here, and it has a bad HDMI port. So this was dropped, that's why it doesn't power on. Yeah, I'm taking it apart here, and look at that. Damage to the drive, too. All right, I took it down to the bare metal here. I have my tester power supply. Let's try to power it on. Okay, it does power on here, and it dies again. All right, we have a major problem on this motherboard. All right, so multimeter and continuity mode, I checked this whole motherboard. I don't see anything wrong with it. From my experiences with PlayStation 4s, when you drop a system, usually the APU gets disconnected. The multimeter, thermal cam, everything, all the tools that I have, I couldn't find anything wrong with this. So the problem could be hidden, and it could be the APU here that the BGAs have been disconnected, and we need to put it under the machine. Before we touch the APU here, somebody mentioned that the Panasonic chip can go bad and do that. So let's remove it. All right, we'll remove the chip here. Let's test. All right, let's test it here. It beeps and nothing. It's completely dead right now. You know what? I'm not sure if a chip is required here, so let's put it back on. All right, I put that chip back on. No need to clean. Let's go test. All right, let's test again. Oh, I'll be damned. Now it powers on. So now I have this other PlayStation 5. You turn it on, and the tester here is all wonky. I know for a fact it's an HDMI chip. Now it turns on and it fully works. I'm gonna take this wonky chip from this one, and I'm gonna put it here and see if this one turns on. Taking this one apart, this is the new version. Just got this motherboard out, and no way. Under the microscope here, boom, that's a disaster here. It's been butchered by another repair shop. This is not the chip, so we're gonna need to repair this. Yeah, so we got this one working, and we're not gonna be extracting any chips from this one. I went ahead and found this chip here online. Literally, it came chop like that. So let's extract it and test. We don't even know if this works or doesn't work. That's what we have to do to find rare chips. Boom, just extracted it here. All right, I'm gonna install this one. And the chiplet's looking perfect here, installed. Let's go test it. All right, let's test. It powers on. And it dies again. Unfortunately, this turned out to be a bad chip, so we still need another chip. So I did put the APU under the machine as well, and that was also a fail. I have a theory. From doing thousands of HDMI ports, I know that these are flimsier than the PlayStation 4. And if you do drop your PlayStation, the heatsink and the impact on the APU will rip up one of these pads. And I think that's what's happening to a lot of the PlayStation. I have these other three here, facing the same exact symptom from a drop as well. So these could also be unrepairable.